In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the drive belt on this Ford F-150. This vehicle has the 3.5 liter V6 engine. It's going to be located on the front of the engine. Let's get into it. We're going to remove these two push pins. I'm going to use a trim tool. Just get underneath there. Pop that up. Pop that out. We're going to remove this bolt, use a 13mm socket. Take that out. Now on the back side of the snorkel, we're going to remove this hose. There should be a little tab. You just push in, and then you should be able to slide this off. Actually, the tab would be right there. This vehicle, the tab is missing. Just push that in, and that separates. The other side, there's a hose right here. On the bottom, there's a little release. I'm gonna push on that release, slide it off. You can see it's a little tab right there. Just wanna push that to the side. Take that off. Loosen up the worm clamp. Use a 7mm socket. Loosen that up. And there's a hose right here. Pop that out of the way. You can grab the snorkel, slide it back. Grab the airbox, pull it straight up, pull that all the way out. Using a 15mm socket, loosen up the tension on the tensioner. Push that down. You can slide the belt off the alternator, off the crank, off the tensioner, and off the water pump pulley. Pull that off. Now take the new belt. I'm going to go around the crank pulley. Go around the tensioner and around the alternator. There we go. And we're just going to hold it in front of the water pump. I'm going to use a 14mm socket. I'll take the tension off the tensioner and put the belt around the water pump. There we go. And just double check all the pulleys, make sure the belt is in all the correct grooves, which it is. Now take the airbox, get that lined up. Just push it into the grommets and over the throttle body. Push that hose in place. Take the push pins, get those started. Lock those down. Take the bolts, get that started. Tighten that down. Now we'll tighten the worm clamp down. That's good. Make sure that's tight. That's good. Take the hose, get that lined up, lock that in place, and the other hose in the back, lock that in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.